وعلى أولاد الحسين وعلى أصحاب الحسين. Year upon year, we gather here in central London, the United Kingdom, to remember Aba Abdullah al-Hussein, to learn lessons from Aba Abdullah al-Hussein. Year upon year, these gatherings are a proof of the message and form of Sharikatul Hussein, the sister of Aba Abdullah al-Hussein, who called out with that powerful message: فكد كيدك واسع سعيك فوالله لا تمحو ذكرنا. Plan as you plan, scheme as you scheme, whatever you wish to do. But as she said very well, by Allah, you shall never eradicate the dhikr and remember Aba Abdullah al-Hussein, and call out in response to the words of Hussein, Ala hadib al-Nasr yansur, the Imam of their time. Our response and call from here 3 times. No, thank you. The companion of Rasulullah, and Ali ibn Abi Talib was on one side. Which side should I take? Which path should I take? Take the path of Ali. Why? لا تستوحشوا. Do not ever be afraid from that طريق الحق لقلة سالكين. Do not say that the طريق of haq, the path of truth, I know it's this path. Those 72 or so companions were much less in number.
She's confused, she doesn't know what's going on.
But he taught us that طريق الحق, the طريق المستقيم, the طريق that we wish to take. That Sirat al-Mustaqim is a path of trial and tribulations. The path of Sirat al-Mustaqim. When Hussein ibn Ali would say that أيها الناس, of people, why did Hussein stand up? Why did Hussein stand up? He said, فإن السنة قد أميتت. The sunnah of Rasulullah is no longer being followed by what they are doing. وَإِنَّ الْبِدْعَةَ جُحِيَّةٌ. And many bid'ahs they are performing, not the sunnah of Rasulullah. So he said this clear statement for us today and for all your time. Listen to your Imam, listen to the Quran and obey the Quran and obey the Imam of your time. Obey the Prophet of Allah. What will happen? What's the end result? أهدكم سبل الرشاد. I shall guide you to the